In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix a black screen when recording on OBS on your MacBook. So the first thing you want to make sure is you got these icons here. Just make sure that you've actually got it enabled and you haven't got a cross through the eye. Next thing you want to do is go into your system settings, go privacy and security, then go screen and system audio recording. And you want to make sure OBS both here and here are toggled on. Now let's go back to OBS, and if it's still not working, what you can do is go down to sources and go to this plus icon here and go to macOS screen capture. So this is just a different way of recording the screen rather than using the display capture. So what we'll do is press OK, and here you can select the method. So if it's going to be the display, window or application, then you can choose which display you want it to be recording on. So I've only got my MacBook screen, and then you just press OK. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.